Okay, let's talk about something really important. When you've got some extra cash to save, where does it go first? Your 401k, an IRA, a savings account? Today, we are going to break down why the order you save and invest your money is one of the most critical financial decisions you'll ever make.
And here's the crazy part. Most of us, we get this totally backward. It's an incredibly common mistake. So if you're feeling a little lost on this, trust me, you are in very good company. But getting this right, wow. It's one of the biggest levers you can pull to build real wealth.
And this isn't some small oops we're talking about. The stakes are huge. Getting the order of your accounts wrong can easily cost you well over $100,000 over your lifetime. That's a ton of money left on the table from lost growth and taxes you didn't have to pay.
But hey, the good news is there's a super clear, logical way to do this, and that's exactly what we're going to break down in this explainer. We're going to give you the precise framework to follow so you can build wealth the smart way and avoid those really expensive mistakes.
So here's the game plan. First, we'll see why this is such a costly mistake. Then we'll build your financial foundation from the ground up. After that, we'll get into the powerful tax advantage tools, then level up your strategy, and finally, we'll put it all together in one simple blueprint.
All right, so first things first. Before we jump into the how-to, we really need to get the why. Why on earth does the order you save in matter so much? This slide really lays it all out. It's like two completely different financial roads. You go the wrong way, and you are literally leaving free money behind, paying way more in taxes than you need to, and just growing slower. But get it right? Oh man, you get guaranteed returns, you build a powerful tax shield around your money, and you give yourself a massive compounding advantage for decades to come.
Okay, let's start building. The first two steps are your foundation. They're like the concrete slab for your financial house. They are completely non-negotiable.
Step 1. Priority 1. Before a single dollar goes anywhere else, you need to contribute just enough to your 401k to get the full employer match. I'm serious, this is always first, no exceptions.
And this quote just nails it, right? Because that's exactly what it is. An employer match is free money. It's an instant, guaranteed return on your investment, sometimes 50 or even 100%. You just can't get that anywhere else.
All right, you've grabbed the free cash. Awesome. Now, your next job is to build a firewall for your finances. We're talking about your emergency fund, and this is what protects all the hard work you're about to do. So, what's the goal here? You're aiming for about 3 to 12 months of your essential living expenses. And listen, the whole point of this money isn't to make you rich, it's to protect you. This is what stops you from racking up credit card debt or, even worse, being forced to sell your long-term investments when the market is down. You want this cash somewhere safe and easy to get to, like a high-yield savings account.
Okay, foundation's poured and solid. Now it's time to bring in the big guns. We're going to start using some seriously powerful, tax-advantaged investment accounts that are available to us.
And step 3 is a big one. If, and this is a big if, you're eligible for one through your health insurance, you want to max out a health savings account, or HSA. I'm not kidding. This might be the single best retirement account out there.
So why is it so good? Because of this incredible thing called the triple tax advantage. Seriously, no other account can do this. 1. The money you put in is tax deductible, lowering your tax bill today. 2. The money grows completely tax-free. And 3. When you take it out for medical stuff, now we're in retirement, it's also tax-free. It's an absolute powerhouse.
After the HSA, where do we go next? To the individual retirement account, or IRA. This is another fantastic tool for your long-term savings plan.
Now you've got two main flavors here. The traditional IRA gives you a tax break right now, while the Roth IRA gives you tax-free money when you retire. But you know what they both have in common? Flexibility and choice. You almost always get way better, lower-cost investment options in an IRA than you do in a standard 401k.
All right, let's level up. If you've done those first 4 steps, you are crushing it. I mean, you are way, way ahead of most people. These next 2 steps are all about hitting the accelerator on your wealth-building journey.
Okay, remember that 401k we started with back in step 1? We're coming full circle. It's time to go back to it. But this time, the goal is to go all in and crank up those contributions until you hit the maximum amount allowed by law each year.
So, why? Well, 401ks have really high contribution limits. This lets you shelter a huge chunk of your income from taxes every single year. It can seriously lower your tax bill right now, which is a massive win, especially if you're a high earner.
And that brings us to the final step, step 6. Let's say you've done it all. You've maxed out every single tax-advantaged account you can get your hands on.
First of all, congratulations. Any money you want to invest beyond that, it goes right here into a regular old taxable brokerage account.
So what is this? A brokerage account doesn't have any of those fancy tax breaks we've been talking about, but its superpower is pure, unadulterated flexibility. You can put in as much as you want, and more importantly, you can take it out whenever you want with no penalties. This makes it the perfect tool for goals that come before retirement, like, say, retiring early.
Whew, okay. That was a lot of ground to cover. So let's pull it all back together into one simple, actionable blueprint that you can use to guide every single one of your savings decisions.
And here it is, the whole framework, start to finish. Let's just run through it one last time to lock it in. Step 1, get your 401k match. That's your free money. Step 2, build that emergency fund for security. Step 3, max out that incredible HSA with its triple tax advantage. Step 4, contribute to an IRA for more flexibility. Step 5, circle back and max out your 401k to save big on taxes. And finally, Step 6, a taxable brokerage account for everything else. That right there is your roadmap.
You know, at the end of the day, building wealth isn't about some secret trick. It's just about making a series of smart decisions, one after the other. And now you have the framework. So, the only question left is, what's your next step?